Good morning. This is Lakeisha Rowbottom, and I am recording a live video to execute a live trade. Hopefully, want to start off by talking about the chart that I'm in and the potential trades that I could set up here. I am in the Euro USD 15-minute chart. I have been I've already plotted support and resistance zones in this chart for the week from my daily chart as well as from my hourly chart as well. And the Fibonacci was plotted on my 15-minute chart using a downtrend that was on the chart. Yesterday, basically consolidation in between these zones, but I do trade consolidations, breakout of consolidation, and I think that there is potential, hopefully some trades that will happen today. Right now, we see that the market's been in consolidation. I am looking to enter into a sale. I would enter a sale if I can get strong volume below here or a close beneath this 23.6 at 1.3105. In the event that I did that, I'm coming in at that 10 to this 98 is about 12 pips. Depending on the volume, I may take it down to the 88 pips, which would give me around 22 pips for that trade. However, I need to also know where are you going to leave, Lakeisha. So if I'm leaving here looking at this next line of support, So if I'm entering into a sale, this would be my line of resistance. So here, this is at about 20 pips. So I'd probably put my stop loss here at the 30 and have about a 20 pip gain on both sides, 22 for my take profit and 20 for my stop loss. If the market breaks out of consolidation, if the bulls take over, I'd look to be safe. I'd wait to get to the 23.6 line. So we'll say that if we got to the 23.6 line and had a close above this area of resistance, I could go here to the next line for my take profit, which would put me at the 62. So that's about 13 pips. However, the 49 to the 30, that's about 19 pips. So I'm going to see if I can find another area of support that I can identify to help me with plot my potential take profits or stop loss at my 1-1-1-2 ratio without going over that. Changing this because I'm in my 15-minute chart to my magenta. And that's at the 32. So I feel a little confident with that. Very, a good area of support or resistance. But now I know that I'm looking for a break below this 23.6 line so that I can enter into a sale, choosing either this 38.2 or 50 as my take profit. And if I enter there, the 0 would be my stop loss. Looking for a sale, I am truly looking for a close above this 23.6 line because I see that this was a zone of consolidation yesterday, and I'd want to be confident that it's truly a breakout. So once I got that close above this 23.6, we go up to the 50 and come down here for my, so the 50 would be my take profit, and potentially this 32 or even this 30 would be my stop loss based on where I enter the actual trade at. Right now we will pause the video and hopefully come back to an opportunity to sell, since that daily chart is telling me to sell, or potentially buy. We'll see. Okay, I'm back. It's been a while, but I do have a break out of this consolidation that I can enter into a trade. When I last left off, we were talking about this area of consolidation. In planning for my trade, I have added a couple of lines in my 15-minute chart where I can see there's some support and resistance that's going to help me get in and out of my trade. So I'm going to enter into a sale now, and I'm going to take my take profit down here to this line, and that's going to give me about 16 pips at the 50 line. Now for my exit or my stop loss, looking for around that 16 mark line as well, and I'm right here at this area of resistance that I plotted from my 15-minute chart, and I'm going to use this line here so that I can be within my risk management plan according to my strategy. So you can see the market has been in this consolidation. I waited on this breakout below this zone specifically because this is part of that area that the market was consolidated in. I entered into this sale. Entered into this sale, and I got about a 16 profit, hopefully, to gain through this. And there is my fully executed trade.